What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2020, and these are the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Let's kick it off with number 1. Stocks are set for a mixed open this morning. We're seeing that the global rally sparked by Pfizer's vaccine news at the start of this week is finally starting to show signs of fizzling out. The Dow futures are pointing to a drop of nearly 200 points. Futures on the S&P 500 were also indicating a negative open. However, the tech-heavy NASDAQ futures are trading slightly higher. Despite the choppy pre-market action today, it's been a very good week for the bulls. So for this week's Investing.com financial markets related cartoon, we'll focus really on the relentless rally on Wall Street. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ are all trading near their all-time highs. So stay tuned for that later on, either today or tomorrow. On to number 2. Walt Disney leads the earnings parade, with the company set to report its latest results after the close this afternoon. Investors are bracing for another ugly report, with the company seen reporting a loss of 73 cents a share on revenue of $14 billion. That would be down from $19.1 billion in the same period a year earlier. Shares of the media and entertainment giant are off by around 5% year to date, as its core theme parks business and movie and television segment have been hard hit as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. On to number 3. In addition to Disney, networking giant Cisco and recent IPO PALANTIR will also issue quarterly numbers after the closing bell. PALANTIR shares have had a sharp post-election rally, with the stock spiking by as much as 46% over the last 6 sessions for reasons that aren't all that clear. So let's see if there's something in that earnings report which would justify those gains. You can head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest results. On to number 4. On the data front, initial jobless claims due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time will be the main event on the economic calendar, particularly after last week's stronger than expected October jobs report. We're expecting that 375,000 Americans likely applied for unemployment benefits last week. If confirmed, it would mark the lowest total since the coronavirus pandemic began in mid-March. And finally, number 5, besides jobless claims, we also get the latest inflation figures this morning. Consumer prices are expected to have risen by 0.1 percentage point last month, according to estimates. Excluding the cost of food and fuel, core inflation prices are forecast to have gained 0.2% last month. So overall, still nothing for the Fed to worry about on the inflation front. Speaking of the Fed, Chairman Jay Powell will be speaking later this morning. He's participating in a panel discussion about monetary policy at the ECB forum. So stay tuned for that, just in case he has something which could impact market sentiment. So that's it for me. Thanks for listening. Have a good day, everybody. May the trading gods be with you.